Welcome to our YouTube Shorts on how to learn ethical hacking. In this video, we will guide you through the basics of ethical hacking and provide you with some valuable tips to get started. Ethical hacking is the practice of identifying vulnerabilities in computer systems and networks to ensure their security. It is a crucial skill in today's digital world, as it helps organizations protect their sensitive information from cyber threats. To begin your journey in ethical hacking, it is important to have a strong foundation in computer networks and programming languages such as Python and C++. Understanding how different systems and protocols work will give you a solid understanding of how to identify and exploit vulnerabilities. Next, you should familiarize yourself with various hacking tools and techniques. Tools like Wireshark, Nmap, and Metasploit are commonly used by ethical hackers to analyze network traffic, scan for open ports, and exploit vulnerabilities respectively. Learning how to use these tools effectively will greatly enhance your hacking skills. It is also essential to stay updated with the latest security trends and news. Following reputable blogs, forums, and attending cybersecurity conferences will keep you informed about new vulnerabilities and techniques used by hackers. This knowledge will help you stay one step ahead and better protect computer systems. Remember, ethical hacking is legal and ethical. It is important to always obtain proper authorization before attempting any hacking activities. Engaging in unauthorized hacking is illegal and can lead to severe consequences. Lastly, practice is key. Set up your own lab environment using virtual machines and practice your hacking skills in a controlled and safe environment. There are numerous online platforms and resources available that provide hands-on exercises and challenges to help you sharpen your skills. Thank you for watching our YouTube Shorts on how to learn ethical hacking. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring. Stay curious, stay ethical, and happy hacking!